When love is new, every day's a new sensation. When love is new, you're thrilled with infatuation. When love is born, it's so warm, so soft, and oh, so tender.